Hello, welcome to video 1 of 2 of Dynamic Prompt, a powerful function within Copilot Plus v3. Dynamic Prompt allows you to parse through large amounts of data using prompts to give it instructions on how to analyze the data. The data can be provided to the system in the form of selected work items or a query. For this first example, let's talk about the query option. Here, we've selected a query. You can use any query of your choosing. Next, give the system an instruction on how to analyze the data. In this case, that instruction states, please indicate how comprehensive the work items in Query 1 are on a scale of 1 to 10. We have also given Copilot instructions on how to display the data in a readable HTML table. Now click on Generate. The system has provided an analysis of all of these work items. This includes a rating from 1 to 10 on how comprehensive these work items are, the reasoning for those ratings, and suggested improvements. Imagine how long this type of analysis would take to do manually. You can click this icon on the bottom right-hand side of the screen to copy your results. Thank you for watching this introduction to Dynamic Prompt. Join us for the second video where we'll dive deeper into the functionality.